70 years ago, in Madurai, a promise was made. A promise to build engineering solutions that would support India's growth quietly, reliably, with integrity. That promise became J.K. Fenner. J.K. Fenner is not defined by a single product. We provide automotive and industrial solutions that protect performance and endure the toughest conditions. For decades, our engineering has silently powered India's infrastructure development, factories, farms, transport, and progress. Innovation must do more than perform. It must endure. Our Neelakotai plant is a GLOCERT certified green manufacturing facility with 98% of energy powered by wind and solar. Because sustainable engineering is the only way forward. At JK Fenner, progress includes people. Our pink line, operated entirely by women technicians, reflects a simple belief. When opportunity meets capability, excellence follows. We believe skill is the foundation of dignity. Through free technical training programs, we equip youth with real-world expertise, turning uncertainty into sustainable careers. Through skill enhancement program, in partnership with the Indian Army, JK Fenner is opening pathways, transforming skill into livelihood and aspiration into purpose. For every young life empowered, we strengthen not just a family, but the fabric of our nation. Empowerment begins with opportunity. Through tailoring, beautician, and millet-based food processing programs, women gain skills, confidence, and financial independence, building healthier families and stronger communities. Health gives dignity, education gives direction, and every tree we plant protects the promise of tomorrow. Progress is complete only when communities grow with us. In Pomampatti, water flows again. Dignity is restored through household washrooms. Livelihoods are rebuilt. A village once struggling is now rising, together. For 70 years, JK Fenner has stood for innovation with purpose. Engineering progress, empowering people, sustaining tomorrow. Our promise continues to move industries forward, communities forward, and India forward. JK Fenner, powered by innovation, driven by sustainable excellence. For 70 years and beyond.